my pretty world. Today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in simple way. Shall we start? Let us know about this cube. This is the top face. This is the right face. This is the left face. This is the front face. This is the back face. This is the bottom face. Let us know about the pieces in the cube. This and this are the corner pieces. This and this are the edges. Edges lie between corners. This is the centerpiece. Let me repeat again. This and this are the corners. This and this are the edges. This is the centerpiece. There are 8 steps to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first step is solving the daisy. What is daisy? Daisy has one yellow centerpiece and 4 white edges. We should not bother about the corners. Here in this cube there is one yellow centerpiece with white edges. To solve the daisy, first we need to find the yellow center and keep it at the top. I am searching for the yellow center. I found the yellow center. Now we need to keep it at the top. Now we need to find a white edge in the middle layer. I found one white edge in the middle layer. Now we need to turn the right layer clockwise. Now one white edge is solved. Let us find more white edges. Now I found one white edge at the bottom layer. Now I will show you how to move it to the top. The first step is to turn the front face clockwise. Now we have it in the middle layer. Now we need to turn the left layer anti-clockwise. Now we have 2 white edges solved. Let us find more white edges. I have found one white edge here in the middle layer. We need to turn the right layer clockwise. Now we have 3 pieces solved. I have found one white edge here. Now we need to turn the left layer anti-clockwise. Now we have solved the daisy. We have solved 3 pieces, but the 4th piece is here. If we turn the right layer clockwise, the already filled one will go away. So, I will show you what to do in this case. We need to turn the top layer one time. Now we have empty space here. Now we need to turn the right layer clockwise. Now we have the daisy solved. We have solved 3 pieces, but the 4th piece is here at the bottom. And at the very top, it is filled. I will show you what to do in this case. We need to turn the top layer two times. Now we have empty space. Now we need to turn the right layer 2 times. Now we have the daisy solved. We have solved 3 pieces, but the 4th piece is here. I will show you what to do in this case. We need to turn the front face one time anti-clockwise. We can't turn the left layer anti-clockwise because we will be losing one white edge. So what we need to do is turn the top layer Now we have empty space. Now we need to turn the left layer to solve the daisy.
Hope you all learned how to solve the daisy. So simple, no? Unscramble the cube and try to solve the daisy again.